Hi everyone! Today I will be doing a KimChi Chic beauty makeup haul. First time buying from KimChi Chic Beauty. So first thing I bought was the Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. It was $16 and I have oily skin, so hopefully this works. Next thing I got was that white powder set and bake powder in number 01, no color. This was $19. This is a loose setting powder. And I've been using this daily. It's a lot of product for $19. This puff is very big. I don't normally use the puff though. I have a puff that I got from Amazon instead. The next thing I got is the brush bathtub, which was $18. This is used to clean your makeup brushes. This one smells really, really good. So next up, I am going to show a clip of using it. So first you have to wet the inside, and wet the brush, and you swirl around the whatever is in there, and afterwards you use the cover to wash your brush. This works really well and actually cleaned all the gross stuff off my makeup brushes. So I would definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. You can see how clean those eyeshadow brushes are right there. They're like white or well beige. Okay, and that was the brush bathtub. The next thing I got is Almost CATFISHED finishing powder. This is in number 02, that white powder. This was $18. Okay, that's it for my haul. Thanks for tuning in.